How to uninstall multiple apps at once on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can uninstall multiple applications at once on your Android phone. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to uninstall multiple apps, now there are some ways to do it right from your home tab, but this process may not work for everybody because it is device specific depending upon the launcher that you're using. But you can do it with the help of Google Play Store. So all you have to do is open up your Play Store over here in this case, then just tap the profile looking icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then over here you want to simply go to manage apps and devices. Once you go to manage apps and devices, go to manage from the top, and then once you go to manage, here you want to simply select that the install is actually selected. Now all you have to do is just go ahead and select the applications that you might want to delete. So just go ahead and select a number of applications here over here. Once I select a number of applications in this case, I can go ahead and simply select any of the other apps that I might want to remove as well. So let me just go ahead and then look for a couple of other applications that I might want to remove from the list. So if you don't remember the name, you can just come back and then just come back to this page and then just go ahead and then find those applications in this case, and then go ahead and then delete it respectively, and then just tap on the trash icon from the top right hand side. It'll ask you 5 apps will be uninstalled from your device. Tap on the uninstall button in order for this app to be successfully uninstalled. This is simply how you can go ahead and then uninstall all apps at once on Android. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.